Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on another 135i F40. This time we're going to be doing a gloss black kit and we'll show you the steps taken to get that fitted.
Damn, Danny.
That's the diffuser done. All it was is 6 8mm bolts that we had to take off, as well as 2 plastic rivets here. We took those off, took the diffuser off, put it back on. The only difference with the OEM one and this one is I decided to use metal rivets on the corners because I didn't have any small plastic rivets like that. But the rest of the car will use the plastic rivets just like BMW do.
Damn, Danny.
So Miles and I have just finished doing the splitter on the 135i. As you could see, it uses all of the original mounting points, just using the plastic rivets, just like BMW do. We've had to remove all of them and then refit them along with the 4 8mm bolts. So the only difference that you'll have with this car, which is the 135i and all of the others, is that this has a lip on it, which you have to remove first, whereas the other ones don't. And then it will just reuse the same mounting points, so the bumper is the same. So the final thing we had to do on the car was the spoiler. We decided to bond it on and let it dry overnight, so it's on here nice and solid now. We also decided to add carbon fiber wing mirrors off camera, and here's one final look at what the car looks like.